Does your face look slightly saggier, heavier? Well, it may not be facial sagging, it may be fluid retention. So in today's video, we're going to do some really great lymphatic drainage massage. This will also help remove toxins and waste within the facial and the neck area. So first things first, you want to start off with clean skin and also obviously clean fingers. Now I'm using, as always, my facial oil here, but if you have your own facial oil, even something like a cleanser, that's fine too. Just something so you've got kind of like a slip and glide, so you're not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling. So let's just apply just a couple of drops first to the fingers, just massage it in. And then just gently apply all along the facial parts of the face and also the neck area. And whatever you do apply to your skin is also going to penetrate in even better and deeper when we're doing these lymphatic drainage massages. So again, really good quality if you can, preferably organic. So once we've done that, we want to literally open up the drains, if you like. So where our collarbone is, just above, we've got some indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses all along, just opening up the drainage points. And then we're going to take one hand at a time and we're going to make our fingers into like a V shape. And then we're going to put some fingers in front and also behind the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And just very gently, just glide down first. Either side of the ear. And then just work down the big SCM muscle here from the ear, down the SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then on the other side, taking our fingers into a V shape, either side of the ears. And then just gently glide down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then taking the flat of the hand, because we have more surface area, where the collarbone is here, just underneath, you can just gently glide towards, from the middle of the collarbone, towards the armpit. And on the other side. So now from the collarbone, we're going to work all our way up to the top of the head and then come all the way down for lymphatic drainage release. So taking our hand, and I like to use it as an anchor so you're not stretching at the skin, particularly if you have older sagging skin and you're sort of 40 over, where we're losing collagen and also elastin. So just placing onto the collarbone, taking the other hand, flat of the hand, just lifting up now, nice and light in a gentle massage towards the chin and also the jawline. And then on the other side, feather light touch. The skin on the neck is very fine and delicate. And then heading towards the ears. And then thumb placed under the chin, fingers as a hook, gently gliding now all the way along towards the ears. Now again, we have plenty of lymph nodes under the jawline, so moving everything across, particularly if you have slightly sagginess and swollen sort of under the cheekbone area here. This will sharpen as well as give a sort of more sharper, catched, if you like, jawline all along. And then taking the fingers again, nice and light, lifting up all the way to the cheekbone, and then just gently glide, outwards motion, feather light touch. Now the lymph is also very close to the surface of the skin, so you don't need to be heavy-handed. And again, we're moving toxins and waste as well. Moving everything out towards the ears where those major lymph nodes are. And because you've applied a really great facial oil or facial cream, preferably an oil for a better slip and glide, again, you're not dragging or pulling at the skin. And one last time. And then take the fingers, and I like to use my ring finger, and just gently glide down from between the eyes to where the bone is, and then just to the temples. Semicircular motion. Now you can do these every day, you can do these in the morning, you can do these in the evening. I like to personally do these in the morning, particularly if I've got a slight puffiness from the night before. Again, just gently sweeping all the way to the sides and then under the eyebrows towards the temples again. Very light, delicate touch. And then just lifting between the eyes, heading towards the hairline and just slowly working our way along. Either side of the forehead. And then just interconnecting our fingers, shoulders nice and relaxed, just gently gliding now from the forehead towards the temples. If you like, you can also take deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to help with oxygen flow to the neck and also the head area. But it also calms down the nervous system, keeping the face nice and relaxed throughout these lymphatic drainage massages here. And then again, ring finger, outwards motion. I always like to go slightly out and a little bit up, so you're not dragging anything down. And then lifting up, again, very feather-light touch, lower part of the face. And then again, taking our hands, making a V shape, and then just coming down either side of the ears, starting with one ear, and then on the other side. And then taking the fingers here, we're now just massaging the bottom of the ear and then working our way along the occipital bone. So basically the bottom of the head, the top of the neck. Again, we have lymph nodes in these places here along these points. And then when the fingers are touching with one hand at a time, just gently glide down, again, the SCM muscle down to the collarbone, and then on the other side. And then for our final lymphatic drainage massage release, which is really important because we've moved toxins and waste within the neck and also the facial area. So we want to actually put it into the rest of the body, if you like, for ready for elimination. So from the chin all the way down, where our collarbone is, literally our beginning point, if you can just give those a few gentle presses. So what I would also recommend is after doing this to have a really nice glass of sort of lukewarm water, not too cold, just to really help with the digestion as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. And also please comment down below. Tell me how you found this and if there's any other facial massage techniques you'd love me to share with you. And I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.